A Douglas fir beetle has a deadly plan to raise an army and kill the tree. Broadcasting chemical and electrical signals, the fir warns its neighbors to produce defensive poisons. But it may be too late. The pea-sized pest emits a pheromone. It's calling reinforcements and summoning a mass invasion. Beetles arrive, mate, and burrow in. Then their young eat the tree alive. This mighty fir will be dead within weeks. But in a selfless final act, the dying giant diverts sugars to its roots. As one life ebbs away, the rest of the forest becomes better prepared to fight for its future.